Hey everyone, it's Kim here, host of the Powder Coater podcast, and I'm really glad to be back with you. I know it's been a while since our last episode, and I owe you all an explanation. Life has a way of throwing unexpected curveballs, and 2023 was exactly that. We dealt with the good and the great, with the bad and the worst. Talking to many of you throughout last year, I could say I was not the exception. There were firsts too, like crying on Instagram Live. Have you ever done that? And starting a GoFundMe that raised over $13,000 for Lahaina's fire survivors and their families. Thanks to you all. More on that later. It wasn't an easy decision to take a break from the podcast, but I needed some extra time to deal with what has happened to my hometown of Lahaina. Namely, the feeling I get when I realize that it is completely gone. And I mean completely gone. Just wiped off the face of the earth. What about all the memories I experienced there? My childhood, my friends, starting a family, raising kids, falling in love. Did they really happen? Was it even real? Have you ever thought how you would feel if you knew the place you grew up in, the whole town, and the people you knew wasn't there anymore? Moving on. I want to sincerely apologize to each and every one of you for the unexpected hiatus. Your support means the world to me, and I understand that consistency is crucial in podcasting. On top of that, I had recorded really good stuff that needs to get out. Although the next 4 episodes were recorded 9 months ago, like 90% of all the content we produce here, it's truly timeless information to watch and listen over and over again. Because it is the story of us and of custom coating. That said, I want you to keep a very well-known coater in your hearts right now. Over the Christmas holidays, Victor from Black Label Coatings lost his beautiful wife, Jennifer, of over 14 years. It was devastating and unexpected, so please keep him in your hearts and minds as he is dealing with this tremendous loss. If you are followers of BLC, please drop him a message to let him know that you're thinking of him, but don't pry. He is taking it one day and one breath at a time. Now, let's cover what we want to do in 2024. We would like to mention that we are launching a live panel discussion on the podcast in February. We are in the planning stages now, so please stay tuned. I'm also attending this year's Powder Coating Week in Orlando, Florida, March 11th, 12th, and 13th. The first day is the Custom Coater Forum with speakers and roundtable discussions, followed by the technical conference on the 12th and 13th. There is a trade show to meet at the various vendors at the end of each day, so if you can make it, please meet me there. I appreciate your patience and understanding during this time. I'm committed to delivering quality content that you'll enjoy. If you have any thoughts or feedback, please reach out. Your input is invaluable to me. So here we are with what I'm calling the lost episodes of 2023. Thank you for being a part of the Custom Coater community. I can't wait to reconnect with you in 2024. Until then, take care and get ready to level up your powder coating game.